Let's go through question number 2. Given the quadratic equation 2k plus 1x squared minus 3kx plus 2k minus 4 equal to 0, A is the coefficient of x squared, 2k plus 1, B is negative 3k, and C is a constant, which is 2k minus 4, and does not have real root. So B squared minus 4AC less than 0. Hence, we will substitute B, which is negative 3k squared minus 4 times 2k plus 1 multiplied by 2k minus 4, which is the C, less than 0. So we need to expand carefully and simplify carefully. Now let's do it now. We are going to simplify the negative 3k squared by 9k squared. Now, because we have 3 terms, so we need to make sure we focus to the bracket first. So 2k times 2k, we will get 4k squared. Be very careful when we expand. Here is 2k times negative 4, which is negative 8k, and 1 times 2k will be plus 2k, and then minus 4 less than 0. It is a must write less than 0 all the time. 9k squared, further expansion, we will times with the negative 4 with every terms in the bracket. So minus 16k squared, and then plus 32k, and then minus 8k. You can simplify to negative 6k, right? And then finally we will have the last one is plus 16 less than 0. So if we simplify further, we will get negative 7k squared plus 24k plus 16 less than 0. Now you need to make sure the general form is positive for the coefficient of the A before you factorize. Alright, so in this case the sign have to be changed, alright, because we shift it to the other side, or you can say you multiply by negative, so you have to change your sign. Now in order to solve inequality, it is a must to sketch the graph, or you can use a line number. You cannot just do without sketching the quadratic function. Many of you can write the answer without doing the step like this, sketching the quadratic function. Simple sketching is a must to show, or you can use a line number, right? So after you sketch, because the quadratic function is positive more than 0, so we shade the region which is more than 0, positive, above the x-axis, and then we will highlight the range of the k. It's not x, it's a k. So k must be more than 4 because it's obviously to the right for the green line to the right, and then the other side is k less than negative 4 over 7. So these are the range of the values of k when the quadratic function is greater than 0. So the marks will be allocated based on the proper steps. Normally we will see if you substitute like this with the b squared minus 4ac, after substitute correctly, you entitled for 1 mark. And the general form for the quadratic function with the sign, everything perfect, you will be awarded 1 mark. And normally for the shading, we will give 1 mark. So if you shade properly, correctly, then you read the ranges of values of k, not x, then you will be awarded the marks, alright, like this. So finally the answer is k less than negative 4 over 7 and k more than 4. And it is compulsory to show the proper step how you read the range of the values of the k. That's all my sharing for quadratic function.